Hello and welcome to our guide on completing KYC on the Nauticus Exchange. The good news is we've shortened the process and it now only takes about 5 minutes, depending on how long you muck around taking photos, of course. There's also live support available every step of the way in case you have questions. That's the little blue icon in the corner. We'll show you in a second. Before we begin, it's worth grabbing your passport or your driver's license and a blank sheet of paper and a marker. You'll need them a little bit later on. Alright, let's get started. Sign into your account on a laptop or desktop PC and click on the Verify button. We'll be bringing KYC to mobile devices soon. Choose whether you want it to be verified as an individual sole trader, or as a representative of a business. Now, if you're not Australian, you're not going to be a sole trader, but there's information there to help you work it out. Most likely, if you're just an ordinary person, you'll probably just click individual. Now, fill in the form to the best of your ability. If one of the fields doesn't apply, for example, you don't live in a unit or an apartment, you can just leave that blank. If you have a really unusual address, like you live in a field somewhere, please enter as many details as you can. As long as all of the relevant parts of your address are entered, our staff can fix up the records a little bit later on. Next up is a series of questions that we need to ask. They help protect against money laundering and help us get to know you a bit better. Fill them out as accurately as you can. So, employment status. I'm employed as a KYC help guy. I come from Australia. I have an Australian passport. Now, there are 3 types of identity card or identity document you can put up. The best one we recommend is the international passport. That has the greatest chance of success. There's also national ID cards that often work, as long as the something on the card is in English, or a driver's license. But we're gonna choose passport. All right. So now you're going to want to take a photo of your passport. And look, it's pretty obvious what you need to do here. It can't be blurry, can't be, have your fingers in the way. We've already taken one. And so we're also going to move on to the selfie sign. Again, you just need to write down the letters NTS and today's date, and just take a selfie. Upload it to your device. Now we're on the double check the name and date of birth is exactly matches the information in the ID. There's just a triple check to make sure that you pass KYC, because it's an automated procedure from here on in. Now press continue, and we're going to take you to our partner site. So, please select your country and the ID you have, and then upload it as instructed. This is me. Now your selfie sign. There's also me experimenting with a bold new look. Does a few automatic checks to make sure the photo isn't rubbish. We'll fix this in the edit. Congratulations, you've made it through pretty much. At this point, it's important that you take a long walk or you make yourself a cup of tea. Please don't try and log back into Nauticus again for about 5 minutes while we update your verification status. You should receive an email saying that you've been verified pretty quick smart. If you didn't get verified for some reason, don't worry, we're here to help. If you've had trouble with KYC, navigate to the cases section of your account and you can copy the error code that you find there. And then email support@nauticus.exchange with the error code and any associated error messages, and we'll help you troubleshoot it. Thanks for watching.